How's it going, folks? Welcome back to another episode. This morning, well, it's almost like 11 now, I think. I'm actually out here on Roebuck, Roebuck Lake. I haven't been out here in quite a while. I'll probably show you why here in a little while. Like I said, I haven't been here in a minute, so I don't really know what the bite's gonna be like. I may try for some crappie if the bassing sucks. Plan on doing a bunch of flipping and stuff. It's a really good place to flip. If that doesn't work, crappie, who knows, I may try some jerking and some square billing and stuff. But I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get after it. Put this on my chest, flip the jig around, see if we can get bit. Stick around, stay tuned. Drop down there and hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, please. And if this video doesn't work out, like this whole session, if this session doesn't work out, I'm just gonna make like a fish catching montage. I gotta get some content going. I wanna start getting more and more consistent, you know, with my video uploads. So without further ado, let's get out here and catch some fish, hopefully. Bassing has been hard, so let's try, man. All right, let's try to stink and get them, y'all. I've got this very old topwater. If any of you guys watching this video happen to know what this bait is, you are an absolute legend. This is a Norman weed walker, I believe. Yeah, it says so right there. Norman weed walker, patent pending. That's interesting. If I can get it to work, it'd be really interesting. I think my worm is giving it too much weight in the back. The skirt may have also helped keep it up. Giant bass just kerblamish slams it. Bussin'. To be perfectly honest, I really haven't been catching a whole lot of bass. I've been out crappie fishing with the wife and son. Slap like now and let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a slay and fillet. An okay angler equivalent to a catch and cook. We call it the slay and fillet. Slay and fillet. What the hell, bully? Back this way, come on. Bull. This way, bull. Hey, come on. What the? Come on. Is that where you at, puppy? Lay down. Go. Ah, come on, dude. Ah, what the frick, bully? Dude, what was that about? Well, I don't think there's any fish to be caught here now. He doesn't even like the water. I'm pretty sure he thought that was like dirt. I'm just gonna jump off of this boat. I'm done doing this. Are we about to have to go out on a pond fishing mission on the boat, y'all? Bassing has not been easy for me lately. It was really easy. And then like, I started trying to catch some crappie and the bass wouldn't leave me alone. There we go. Yeah. And then bam, we got right back on the bass again. You see it, bully? Notice his eye was, I don't think it was whenever he was running around just now. I noticed his eye was bothering him before we left this morning. Oh, there might have been another fish there. Ah, my freaking reel is being all wonky, but there was a fish there, dude. Thank you, Roebuck. Getting me a bass on board. Gotta figure out what's wrong with my drag system on here. Okay, I got the blood flowing, folks. There's a lot of shad right here. almost don't want to look at this. There's just shad popping everywhere right here. You almost don't want to leave bait fish right now and search for, you know, areas where there really isn't much going on. Hooked up. Not what I thought it was. I thought it was a crappie. I was gonna get excited. They do this to me every time. I'm like, oh yeah, we found the crappie, and then it just happens to be one of these little dudes every single time. That's okay though. We'll see if we can't get up here and get second fish of the day, so let's get a smooth release going. I was surprised he didn't just boom, gun it right out of there. Holy smokes, y'all. We are on a tank freaking gar. Nope, might not be. Might be something else. What the hell? Thought it was a gar. What the hell is this? Come back up again. I'm probably gonna lose whatever it is. Oh, I just got my net stuck. Okay, it's unstuck. It's like extremely light tackle and stuff. I don't know what the smokes this is, but it's massive. Come on, dude. What are you? Big old catfish? No way. Big old channel cat. This is just a multi-species day, I guess. What? Stinking catfish on my crappie stuff. Is this thing out of its mind or something? All right, look at that. Wow. I almost want to weigh it, dude. That's a decent one. Okay. That's probably 3-4 pounder. Do I want to let him go? Shoot. I think he's gonna have to go with us, y'all. I have to eat this guy. Yes! Heck yes, y'all. I just hooked up on the crappie and we just completed our Roebuck Lake Jam Species Slam. I'm gonna put him in the live well just in case I end up catching more and I take him home. All right, I'm gonna troll my rod some more probably till I get up to my next spot. I caught a bluegill, a bass, a crappie, and the catfish. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. We don't catch any more fish today. I think I can do with that. Got a little bit of meat to take home. I'm freaking hungry right now and I wanna eat some fish. It didn't just fall off or something. We're gonna see what I'm afraid to pull my car too much further back, so we're gonna see if we can make that work. Whew. All right, folks, well, that was today's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit of shenanigans, a little bit of fish catching, a little bit of shenanigans. We made something happen though. The boat, the car, all that off the makeshift ramp and whatnot. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end. But again, thanks for watching.
fussing.